feet. The guy stopped there, so we're working the door here. Please keep your arms in the drivers, co-drivers. Guy number 440 has his white flag up. Guy number 555 has his white flag up. Car number 1, we're going to go somebody to bump on. Let's see what happens. Yeah. They just knows how to burn out too, not like that. He's just smoking the tires. Yeah. Car number 1's got his white 12 out tank on his left right. Great car. Car number 1. Number 7, your flag up, please. Car number 132 has his white flag up. Car number 7, your time is up. Please put up your white flag. Thank you, number 7. But there's 4 left and that's 26 in your going. Car number 20, car number 77, your time is up. Please put up your white flag. Car number 500 has his white flag up. Good job, 500. Great go. Car number 26 tries to keep going, but he's having trouble. Oh. Oh, we got our just in time. I missed them. Salmon orange standoff. Car number 26, your time is up. Please put up your white flag. Thank you. Here we go. There's a hit by 199. We got two going, guys. It's meant to be orange, probably there's a tag by 199. 49's going to get back. Right now, 199 has the last hit. Car number 84 just put his white flag up. Car number 009, your time is up. Another hit by the orange car. 49, a little bit of a push. Let's go around the track, you guys. Heads up on the tank, you guys. Heads up on the tank. Let's see if 49 can get out of there. Give me land, lots of land, but don't fence me in. Watch the door. There's the hit. That's it for car 199. 49 is going to be on the start again. We'll give you some time. We got to give car number 49 a little bit of time. How many people want to see number 49 fire up again? There's some love for you guys. Oh, I think the other car has some other considerations here. If you guys want to get out and just kind of like duke it out or wrestle, we have silence. We're just going to give car 49 and 199 a little bit of a chance to get going here again. I think the rescue truck got the last hit, so they'll get the prize, perhaps. What do you figure, guys? Well, that's it. That's the end of that heat. Let's give them a big round.